Children, now we'll see some more facts about multiples. The product of a multiply of all the numbers which are multiplied. The product is a multiple of all the numbers which are multiplied. So here you can observe 12 into 7, the product is 84. So 84 is the 7th multiple of 12, or 84 is the 12th multiples of 7. Also 12 is equal to 3 into 4 and 84 is equal to 3 into 4 into 7. So 84 is the multiple of 3, 4 and 7. The multiples of an even number is always a even number. That is, here you can see the number which are divisible by 2 are called the even numbers. A number having any other digit, that is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. A number having any of the digit, that is 0, 2, 6, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at one's place is an even number. You can see here 2, the multiple is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So these numbers are even numbers. The next fact is multiples of odd numbers can be both odd and even numbers. Here you can see multiple of 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here you can see the first, third and the fifth number are odd numbers, and the second, fourth and sixth number are the even numbers. The next fact is, as there are countless multiples, we cannot find the greatest multiple of any number. The next fact is, the smallest multiple of a number is the number itself. Then the multiples of 10, 100 and 1000. When we'll find out the multiples, every time the end we'll get with 0. Now checking whether the number is the multiple of the given number. So here one question is given, is 5 a multiple of 15? Here you can see 5 is less than 15. It cannot be a multiple of 15. Divide the number to be checked by the given number. If the remainder is 0, the dividend is the multiple of the divisor. And if the remainder is not 0, then the dividend is not the multiple of the divisor. So here we can see some example. It is given, is 186 a multiple of 6? Here you can see we can divide it. If the product is coming 0, then it is a multiple of that number. The same way here you can see one more example. The remainder is not 0, so it is not the multiple of that particular number. The same way, children, we will come to our exercise 7.2. The first one, it is given, check whether the first number is the multiple of the second number. Here you can see some example, 24 and 4. So we will divide it. 4 6 are 24. The number is, the remainder number is 0. As the remainder is coming 0, 24 is a multiple of 4. Next is 36 and 7. Now 7 5 are 35. After subtracting, we are getting remainder 1. As the remainder is not coming 0, so 36 is not a multiple of 7. The same way, children, you have to complete your question number 1. Now you see, without doing actual calculation, answer the following question. Here you see, is 8 a multiple of 16? Here I had told you about one example. Here 5 is less than 15. Again here 8 is less than 16. So it cannot be a multiple of 16. So our answer is no. Then the second question is 1320 a multiple of 10. Here, children, you can see we can solve this. If we will divide it, 10 1s are 10. Then after subtracting, we are getting 3. Now we will bring 2 down. Now 32. Again 10 3s are 30. After subtracting, we are getting 2. Then we will bring 0 down. 10 2s are 20. 0. As the remainder is coming 0, so 1320 is a multiple of 10. So the answer is yes. The same way, children, you will complete your exercise 7.2. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.